Hi friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Photoshop. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and today I am going to teach you how to render an AutoCAD floor plan into Photoshop. So I have selected one AutoCAD floor plan from one of my clients project, that is of residence, and I will show you how to render it in Photoshop. So before proceeding it into Photoshop, we need to do some correction in our AutoCAD drawing before exporting it to Photoshop, and I will also tell you how we can export directly to Photoshop from AutoCAD drawing. We need not to convert it into PDF and then export it to Photoshop. Because I don't like PDF files, I will tell you how we can directly export it to Photoshop. So before exporting it, we need to do some correction in our drawing. So first is that we need to remove the texts before exporting it to Photoshop. So I will type a command here, lay off, and we need to turn it off, all the text, and then this also window and door schedule. So, and if you want, you can also remove these dimensions because this is presentation drawing. So we need to first turn off all the text layer, or you have to delete it if you are working in only one layer. So always work in layer in AutoCAD. So now the next thing is that we need to check this hatch also. We need to turn it off. So I am going to type lay off, and I will turn all the hatch toilet areas. So now it is getting ready. So next is that we need to place a line near these doors, and we need to close this space. I will tell you how it works in Photoshop. And first we need to draw a line near door and we need to draw on every door, because it will do flooring in Photoshop, it will select all the area. We need to draw a line to avoid any delay in our rendering process in Photoshop. So I'm going to draw lines. For every rooms and balconies. Now I will leave this one line to show you the difference in Photoshop. So I will not draw a line here because I want to make you understand what will happen in Photoshop. So it's almost correct here, and you should make sure that there is no any broken lines here, and this column is slightly offset, so we'll move this. There is some drawing error, so we'll adjust this. We'll delete this. So it's almost ready. And before proceeding, you need to save a copy of your PDF drawing, and already I have opened it so that we can place furniture accordingly and write text and dimensions in Photoshop. So now our plan is almost ready to move it to Photoshop. So I will show you the best method how to export in Photoshop. We need not to convert it in PDF files and then export it, because in PDF sometimes error may occur. So I will directly export it to Photoshop. So we have to go to next step, that I want to convert it into PSD file. So that is called EPS file. So I will go to here, AutoCAD, and this logo, and now you will go to here options, or you can type OP in your command panel. And now we will go to here plot and publish. We'll click plot and publish. After that you will go here add or configure plotters. So we will click add or configure plotters, and next step is that we have to go here add a plotter wizard. So I will double click here, and now this window will open. Add plotter introduction page, we will simply click next. Add plotter begin, we will simply click next, and after that this will open add plotter model. So here it is manufacturer, that is Adobe, and models PostScript level 1, PostScript level 1 plus, and PostScript level 2. So we will change it from level 1 to level 1 plus, and simply will click next and next, and after that also next. And then you are required to name your plotter. So if you want to name on your own name, you can name it, and I am going to enter plotter name Glad Studio Architects. I will click next here. After that you will click finish, and our plotter is created. You can see here Glad Studio Architect PC3. So we have set one plotter wizard, and I will show you how you can convert directly to Photoshop. So now again we'll go to our AutoCAD plan here, and I will close this, and I am going to take a print by pressing Ctrl P here. I will go to previous plot, and now in printer or plotter you will search for that Glad Studio Architects plotter wizard. I am going to look out for this, and here it is, this Glad Studio Architects.pc3. You can name it on your name if you are adding a plotter wizard in your drawing. So I am going to select this, and now I will select this box, plot to file, and I will keep it at A4 size. And now I will go to this window, and I will take a print, and I will preview this. It's okay. I will right click and click plot, and now I am saving it in Photoshop Render revised floor plan, and I'm going to, and you can see this is EPS file, that is encapsulated files. I am going to save it, that EPS file, and EPS file are like Photoshop file only. I am going to my folder, that Photoshop Render, and you can see here revised Ravi Goenka floor plan .eps. So we will directly double click this, and you will look for Adobe Photoshop, and I am going to open with Photoshop. You can see it is open in Photoshop. So if you check your folder, it is directly converted in Photoshop. So now we will work here, and I will go and rename this as floor plan. After creating floor plan, this is in layer. You can see here, this is layer. We have created floor plan here, and now we will create white background for this. So you need to go here to create a new layer. Create a new layer. I am going to click, and I will name it as background. After changing layer, I will go here on foreground color, and I will click this, and I will make it complete white. And after this, you can go to your paint bucket tool, or you can simply type G in your command panel, and you will click once, and your background color is turned to white. Now I will drag this background color behind my floor plan, can do opposite also. So now you can see our plan is ready to render in Photoshop. So the first step is that you need to convert all the walls color in Photoshop. So I am going to hatch this first in Photoshop. So I will select, you can select any color like red or black or gray color or any color of your choice. So I am going to create a layer. I am going to create a layer for wall, and now layer 1 is created. I will double click and rename is as wall. And now after selecting this, I am going to this magic wand tool, or you can press W, and I am going to select this wall, but you will see some error. I am going to show you that whole this plan is getting selected, this background. So I am not able to select the wall. So why it is happening? Because our layer is in wall, but we need to click floor plan first and then use to hatch this and by magic wand tool. So first we need to remove this error, and you will press Ctrl D to remove this magic wand tool selection. And again I am going to select magic wand tool, and now you are required to make sure that you have selected floor plan before creating layers for wall. So I have created this wall layer. I am going to select this wall first, and for next thing you are required to select all the walls. You are required to press shift here, and you can select all the walls. So I will show you how you can make selection. Now go Ctrl Z, and we'll zoom it by pressing Alt. You can see this line is not joined here. You have to be very careful while selecting layers in Photoshop. You need not panic, and also you should keep pressing shift for selecting more than one layer in walls. These are interior walls. So almost all my walls is selected here, and now I am going to create a layer. So you should understand the difference, that before making layer you are required to go to your floor plan and then make a layer. So I will create another layer for wall, and I will rename this as wall. And now I will go and change this foreground color from here, and you can make it, I will make it black here or gray also. I'm going to change the color to gray, and now I'll press this paint bucket tool here, G command, and I'm in wall layer, and you can see that all the walls is changed to black or gray. So to get rid of this command, you are required to press Ctrl D and you are out of this command. So you can see this is in better quality. So then also you can make some changes in wall, and for that first I will delete this previous one. I will turn this off, this wall here, and I will select this wall. Now you are required to you can double click here and go to this blending option, and after this you can do some settings. If you want to change color also, you can go to color overlay and you can change it to some other colors. If suppose if you want to red, you can change it to red. If you want to turn complete black, you can make it complete black. And another thing you can do is you can give some depth and shadow here, and you are required to check this box, drop shadow, and you can see shadow is getting created in this floor plan. And you will double click here, and now you can change the opacity here from here, make darker or light dark here shadow, and you can also change the distance here, you can and spread this shadow, and size is too much, so we will reduce the size, and you can see it is giving 3D look here. So now it is looking better, and now we will okay here, and now our wall layer is created. So again I am going to create a flooring for these bedrooms and hall. So now I will again go my floor plan, and I will go to this magic wand tool, and I am going to select this floor. So it is getting selected, and for this door area, just shift here and select this also. Now this bedroom door is selected, so I want to keep similar flooring in all bedrooms, so I will shift here and select this area also. And now you can understand that I have not given line here, so you will see that it will select the whole area inside this storeroom also, toilet, this is a storeroom, sorry, this is kitchen. So I am going to press shift and I will select this area, and you can see this also is getting selected because we have not drawn line in AutoCAD. In all the doors I have drawn line, but in this door I have kept open so that you can understand the mistakes. So now it is getting selected all the area. I will show how you can make different flooring in here also in Photoshop. So now 2 bedrooms are ready. I am going to select for this third one also, and this one, and this one also, one, and select this unit also. There are 2 units of residential, and these 2 bedrooms are selected. So now all bedrooms are selected, and now I will go and create a new layer for bedroom flooring. I will rename this as bedroom. I will rename it as bedroom flooring. Now I will fill any color, light color here for timing. to press G command, or you can select paint bucket tool here and you can fill any color, and you can see all the color is changed in bedrooms. And now you can apply realistic textures here. So I am going to apply wooden flooring in this. So I will go to, you can download it from Google. So I am going to search wood floor textures here, wood floor texture, and in images you can select, and I am going to, you can look for high resolution, which is given here, high resolution, and I am going to select this one and I will save it, and I can save it to in Photoshop render only, and I will create another subfolder and will name is texture, or you can make your own libraries. So after that I am going to that folder, and now you are required to open this texture in Photoshop. So you will right click here and you can open with Photoshop. So our texture is open in Photoshop and this is our floor plan. So before importing directly into this, you are required to go to open this texture first, and then you are required to go to edit, and now you will click this define pattern, and you can rename this also, or you can leave default name also, and I will leave default and I am going to click OK. After that you can close this, and now you are in your own floor plan. So I will go to this blending option. You can double click, or you can also open it by right clicking this, and you can go to blending option. So I am going to blending options. So for applying textures you are required to go here, pattern overlay. So I am going to pattern overlay, and you can see already our texture is here, and you can also go to this arrow and you can search for your textures. So we are into our textures, and you can do a scaling from here, and you can also change the opacity. I will keep little bit light here. So this is the way, and now we will do some more settings here. I am going to give inner shadow in this, so that we can give 3D look. So we can go to inner shadow here and double click it, and you can change opacity from here. You can also play with the distance. You can see it's giving a 3D look with the help of inner shadow. You can also play with this stroke, and you can also play with the size to give a smooth look. So now I'm going to click OK. So now our bedroom flooring is ready, and you can see this storeroom texture is also in wooden flooring. So if you want to change, you have to overlap another layer, and you have to create one more layer here, and you can keep it above this level of bedroom flooring. Then this texture will be changed. So now I am going to change the hall area flooring. So I will go my basic floor plan here, and now I will go to magic wand tool, and I will select this whole area, and this whole area also, and you can see we have forget to give a line here. So this layer is getting selected, so you are required to draw a line on every doors where you want to change the textures. So this is bathroom area, So now our wall area is living area is selected, and now I am going to make a layer for this living room dining area, and we can apply any color timing. Use pen pocket tool or shortcut command G, and your whole area color is changed, and you are required to press Ctrl D to get rid of these lines. Now again we will repeat the process. I am going to search for marble flooring texture, and I am going for high resolution. Or I will search ceramic tiles, glossy texture, and you can select any texture, high resolution, and I am going to save this, and we'll go to this folder, and we'll again open with Photoshop. And after opening in Photoshop, again we'll go to this edit and define pattern. Okay, and now I will close this. So I will right click here or double click. I am going to blending option, then this pattern overlay, and we'll double click this, and it's already wooden. I will change it to my second texture material, and now it is changed, and we'll double click here, and you can change the scale of this flooring, and again I will give inner shadow, and you can see it has given a smooth look, so I don't want to change this. I will click OK. So now our whole area is flooring is also changed, and now this plan is getting better. So next is that I want to change this kitchen slab material. So I will go again to my basic floor plan, go to magic wand tool here, and I will select this kitchen slab, and I will create a layer for this, and I will go for marble kitchen slab. I have to apply marble or granite, so I will search for granite texture. So I will select this one, black one, and I will save this. Look for some other textures here, and I'm going to save this for my kitchen slab flooring, and I will go to this folder. Again I will right click it, and we will open with Photoshop, and I am going to edit, define pattern. Okay, and we'll close this, and now you can apply color here, and now Ctrl D, and we'll go to blending option, and I'm going to pattern overlay, and we'll change it to kitchen slab. So now it is changed. Okay, our kitchen area is also changed, kitchen flooring, and now I'm going to change the texture of this balcony area. So this is another small balcony backside here, and this is the shaft opening here. This is toilet and this is also toilet. So first I am going to change the balcony texture. So for this, again we'll go to our floor plan, and I am going to magic wand tool and shift, select the balcony area, and again this small balcony here. And you will create another layer for this, and I'm going to name this balcony floor, and you can apply color here, any color you can see. Change to both the balcony. Press Ctrl D. After that I will go to this Google and search for balcony flooring texture, and I am going to select this one. It's looking very interesting, or you can select anything of your choice. So we'll see how it's work. I'm going to save this to our folder, and we'll go to folder that, and now I will right click. I will open with Photoshop. I'm going to edit, and again we'll define pattern. Okay, and now we'll close this, and I'm going to this balcony floor, like right click and blending option, and we'll go to pattern overlay, and we'll look for that texture. This is this one. So this is bigger in scale. We'll double click, and now we'll change the scale to fit it to our balcony area. Keep it large. So now it is almost okay, and you can also play with the opacity. And now I will go to this inner shadow, and I'll give this smooth look here. So this is just to understand how we work in Photoshop rendering. So next is our toilet areas. Again we'll repeat the same process, and we'll go to our floor plan, and now again magic wand tool. So we'll go to our magic wand tool and select all the toilet areas. So in this one, this is soft. So this is temple here. So this one is toilet again here, and this is common toilet for this unit. And this is the south, so we'll keep it open. So now our toilet area is selected. I'm going to create a new layer, and first we need to apply any color here. So I'm going to give some gray color here, and I will press G command here. Oh sorry, we need to create a layer for this, and I'm going to give it toilet floor. Now we'll apply the color by paint bucket tool, and it is applied in all toilet areas. Press Ctrl D to get rid of these lines and get rid of command. Now we'll search toilet flooring texture. So I am going to apply this gray is this one gray is looking okay. So I am going to save this. Again we'll go to that folder, and we'll right click this texture, and I am going to open with Photoshop and go to edit, define pattern. Okay, and I will close this. After that we'll right click here and we'll go to blending option and pattern overlay, and we'll change the pattern to our toilet flooring. You can see it is applied in all area and scale is okay for me. You can also change from here. And you can also give some inner depth here in toilet. And now we'll click OK. So now it is toilet area is okay. Now I am going to change the color of these stairs, so you can use paint bucket tool. I am going to floor plan and we'll use this magic wand tool, and I am going to select this layers, pressing shift, select all the layers. So I would suggest select it carefully and you can turn off this text also while sorting it to Photoshop. So now I am going to create a new layer for stairs. I am going to give stair floor and I will apply a color to it. Press Ctrl D. Now I am going to look for green marble texture. I am going to select this one. I will save this again, and it is not JPEG file. I'll save JPG file, and I am going to that folder. I will right click this, open with Photoshop. Now again we'll repeat the same process, edit, define pattern, OK, and close this one. Now we'll right click here, blending option, and we'll go to pattern overlay, and you can apply this green marble here. It's looking okay, and you can also change the railing color here, or you can give it open. So our stairs is ready. Now we'll change the color of column. So I am going to floor plan, will select magic wand tool and we'll select all the columns here. So you have to press shift and you have to be careful. You have to control your Z when it's happening, and select all the columns here. So try to select all columns carefully. Select. Pressing shift, not required to leave this shift button, otherwise You will start from beginning. So now all column is selected. We'll create a new layer for columns, and now I am going to change this column color to red, and we'll press G command, and you can see column is changed to red. Control D, and now our column is ready. So now next is that you are required to give window texture or color. So I will go to floor plan, magic wand tool, and will select these layers, press shift, Control Z, Alt to zoom it, keep pressing shift. Now window is selected and back side is also window. So I'm going to like this one, and this one also. So this is also a small window here, more, and Control Z, and here also. So window is ready, and this toilet ventilation also will be the same color. Control Z, zoom, I will create another layer for window, and we'll give light blue color here, sky blue. Can give this, zoom it, and this G command, Control D, and now color is applied to all the windows, and you can give some effect to it by right clicking it and going to blending option, and you can give some outer glow if you want in your drawing, because our background is white, so it's not giving any more good effect, so we'll leave it. And our wall is left here, so I will you are required to go to your floor plan, then select this one, and now you can go to right click here, wall, and I will press G here. Now it is changed. So almost our plan is ready, and now we'll apply models like beds and sinks and toilet WCs in this. So I will go to apply PNG file. So I am going to search for bed PNG images, top view, and you can select any PNG file here. So top view, free, and see which one is free here. We look for any free models here. You can download it free. this PNG here, and you can see it is getting downloaded. So we'll directly drag and drop. You can save to folder later on. I'm going to drag and drop this, and you can see our bed is to our plan. And now this is for scaling, so you can press Ctrl T if you want to scale your models here of view. So I'm going to make it according to our plan. So finish this, and you can also download some different beds if you want. You can download this one. You can also convert this. And I am going to this JPG. You can convert to PNG also. I will right click this and I will open with Photoshop, and I am going to my magic wand tool here, magic eraser tool, and I will click this, and now it is converted to PNG, and you can directly drag and drop into our plan, and you can press Ctrl D and you can resize it. Can place it anywhere according to your plan. So I will scale it, and this is arrow is for rotating. Scaling and rotating. I'm going to finish this, and our bed is ready, and I'm going to press Alt and I will drag to another room, and again I will press Ctrl D and will rotate this. It is placed in our room, and I will also remove this because this bed is very narrow and for single. So I will right click here and I will select this one and press Alt and drag it to this room. So these rooms are ready, and again I will right click here and select this layer, drag press Alt and drag this to another room, and we'll Ctrl T and you can reduce the size, and you can press Alt and again place the bedroom here. So all bedroom beds are ready. Likewise, you can download wardrobe top view also. You can add your own plan. Wardrobe top view PNG. Right click here, save this. Can drag and drop this, and this is not a PNG file. So we are required to convert it to PNG. So I am going to open with Photoshop and we'll use our magic eraser tool and we'll convert it to PNG, and we can now drag and drop to our bedrooms. Ctrl T and you can resize. And you can place as per your plans here. And I'm going to press Alt and drag this, Ctrl T, and you can rotate this this one. You can place it here. I'll press Ctrl T again. And so our wardrobe is ready. Next is we'll place WCs for our toilet areas. You can also refer to your PDF file here, and you can see if you have any interior drawing, you can place accordingly. So I am going to search for WC top view PNG file, and you can go to any free websites and you can download it. So our download is getting generated. You can download it. So you can see our WC is created, and it is large, so we'll make it small by dragging this. Make it to scale, and you can bring it to your toilet areas. You press Ctrl T, and now you go to any corner and rotate this. So this is placed in this toilet, and press Alt and drag this to this toilet also, and drag this to this toilet and press Ctrl T and rotate Ctrl T and go to any corner and rotate it carefully. Press select here. Now it is placed. Now can also place it in this area also. So I will go right click here and press Alt and move it to this toilet area also. You can also press Alt and drag this to common toilet area also. You can rotate it going to any corner. Slightly bend so we make it straight. So now we are required to place wash basins like this. So we will look for wash basin. Top. So we'll search for wash basin top view, wash basin of view PNG. You can select this wash basin, and you can download it. Wash basin PNG free. So you can download this wash basin here by clicking this download button. So you are required to always look for free PNG sites. So you can prepare library, so it will save a lot of time. So I am teaching you how you can do without any libraries directly from Google. So you can drag this PNG in your drawing area, and you can resize this as per your plan. this here, and I will Control T, make it scale, and you can also rotate this because there is door here. Finish this, and I am bringing it to this corner. Again, you can press Alt and drag this to this corner. Press Alt and you can drag this to this corner. You can press Ctrl T, go to any corner and rotate this one. So wash basin is placed in these toilet areas. You are required to place it here also. I'm going to right click and select this model top view of wash basin. I will press Alt and drag this to this toilet area also. And you can place it here. Press Ctrl T. Bring it here. So now it is almost done, and likewise you can place TV units also by going to your Google, and you can look for TV unit top PNG, and you can select any free website which are giving TV unit, and you can place it in your drawing. So if it is free, you can download. I will show you. So I am giving you complete step-by-step procedure how it can work in Photoshop. So by seeing this video, you can learn in one single video. I'm going to drag and drop. You can scale this TV unit. You can place it in all area. Here, I'll press Ctrl T. This, and now you can place it here. So likewise you can repeat this in all the bedrooms according to your plan. So I will show you how you can place sofa top PNG. So you can select any of these. Suppose I am going to select this one and try to download it. So it is not free. So we'll download this PNG. So I'm going to download this and we'll drag and drop in our plan. We'll scale it. So control Z and go and right click this, select this one, and you can place it here. And you can press Alt and you can place the furniture here also, giving you any rough idea. Just here is kitchen slab. You can place kitchen slab here, floor like this here. So next is dining table. Dining table top PNG. So now it is downloaded. drag and drop in our drawing area and we'll place it near dining hall, which is here, and rotate it, and you can finish this. So our dining hall is ready. So now everything is in place. Now after finishing, you can start doing text in this. So I will tell you how you can do text. So this is kitchen area, this is hall area, dining area, and bedroom area. So you are required to do it step by step, and you are not required to export your AutoCAD text in this. So I have told you all the procedure. So you are required to write it in Photoshop. So I am going to my PDF here, and you can open this PDF file. I will go to this folder, Photoshop render, and I will open this PDF file. And likewise you can write it. This is master bedroom, 10 feet 6 inches into 14 feet 6 inches. So I am going to tell you. You will click text here. Before you are required to change the texture here, and I am going to press T, and you can change the text type from here. Want some other text font, you can change it from here. This is Arial, so I will keep it Arial only, and you can change from bold or black and bold italic. So I am keeping it bold, and you can reduce the size. First we will do scaling. So this is bedroom. I will keep it bedroom, and you are required to take the size 13 feet 6 inches into 14 feet 6 inches. So you will enter 13 feet 6 inches by 14 feet 6 inches, and I am going to change the scale 14, and now it's okay. So yes, you are seeing that text is changed to 10 feet 6 inches into 14 feet 6 inches. Now we will press Alt here, and I will bring it to here, and I will change it to kitchen. So kitchen size is 13 feet 5 inches into 15 feet. So I will press T here. Kitchen 13 feet 5 inches into 15 feet into 15 feet 0 inches 0 inches. Now I am going to insert a sink and a stove in this kitchen area. So for this I will go Google and search for sink and stove, and I have already downloaded. So I will go to insert this one in Photoshop floor plan. We'll drag and drop, and this is the sink, and we'll scale it Alt to zoom, and I will bring this rotate it, and we'll scale it a little bit and select to finish this. Control T again, and we'll scale it. So this is placed in our kitchen slab, and likewise we can drag and drop gas stove also, and we'll scale it Alt to zoom, and we'll rotate. We'll finish this. We can place it, and next is fridge, which I have downloaded PNG file here, and we can place fridge as per our plan. Reduce fridge size, and we'll drag it here. Now we'll rotate this. So our kitchen area is complete. So this was the tutorial about step-by-step rendering of AutoCAD floor plan in Photoshop. So I will come with some more interesting videos in the next session. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.